starting with showing if the site is responsible on other things. So for example, if I click on iPad Pro, so you can see that the site is responsive and you can go to other pages, so it's working, it's great. If I change it to other things like something, you see that also it's working, so it's responsive. Here is the admin page, so I can create or delete or the comments or users, whatever, so also it's working, so it's great here. And this one is the main page. You can see that we have a toggle. You can put it on dark mode or light mode, but I prefer dark mode. So here is the profile, so you can see that here we can change the password and everything. Here we can log out and I can sign up also if you want. Here I wanna log in with my admin account. You can see that it's functioning. Yeah, here is the profile, so the photo, the name, the email, the member since from that date, and also the comments. Here I can write a bio and also I can change the photo if you want it. I just want to change to this one and save the changes, and you can see that it's working. So here is the main page. You can see that. So it's I put in different categories. You can find every section you want it. Okay, here. So here you can write comments and comment sections if you want. I will show it to you. As you can see that here it's working. It's just going us to the next section. And also here the main page, just to show off the beauty of Afghanistan. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 section: culture, nature, people, language, foods, sport, fashion, and projects. So all of them is working. I just want to show it to one to one. Here is Afghan culture. So all of the photos is just magnifying. When you click on it, just become bigger and just better to see that. And here is with explanation. And here on the bottom of every page, I just put a YouTube video to explain it better.
Afghanistan.
Like that, and also you can write it comments, whatever you want it. Okay, and you can see that it just posted. Here the dates, the comment, the name of, and everything is working. Here is the nature. You can see that it's working. Also, I put here is the location of this lake in Afghanistan, which is beautiful here in Afghanistan. So also it's working. Here is the people section. So you can see that.
Welcome to Herat.
The YouTube video. Here is the language is Dari and Pashto in Afghanistan. We have 2 official language.
Daddy.
It's working. Here is the food section, and I love the foods, especially the last one is bolani. It's called. Oh my God, it's so delicious. And here is the food. We show the street foods in Afghanistan, which is great. Here is a sport. We have a Boskishi, for example. We have a cricket team. We have a football team, and it's the wrestling, traditional wrestling. Here is for taekwondo or judo, I think, yeah. And here is the video related to that Boskishi. Here we go to fashion, and you can see that Afghan women and girls, they wear beautiful dresses like that. And here we have Afghan tribes. We have different tribes and ethnicity in Afghanistan. And here is the wedding in Afghanistan. You can see that, and the video. And here is the project. I just want to appreciate this CS50 project. This is great. So it's the project 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the final project and the video. And you can see that I can write a comment, whatever I want it. One. And just did that. I just posted the comment and it goes there. And here I just put the footer. So when you click it, you go to the CS50W program with the Python and JavaScript page, so which is great. So I just showed that's the responsive, the user admin, the website, and here. So everything's functioning and it's working. You can just write a comment and tell me if you like this project or not. I also can log out and just log in with the account, so it's great. So when we just log in or log